First, let's work on the pronunciation. The letter A has the A sound. It sounds like in the words happy, last, and cap. Say the word after me. Lap. The word lap refers to the area on top of a seated person's legs. In the picture, the baby is sitting on his mother's lap. The word lap also refers to one complete circuit around a race course. For example, I ran 3 laps around the track. That means I went around the track 3 complete times. Another example is when you have race cars. For example, the race cars are on their final lap. The word overlap is when 2 things occupy the same space so that one is on top of the other. In the diagram, the red circle and the blue circle are overlapping. There are 2 idiomatic expressions using the word lap. One is to drop something in someone's lap, or to have something fall into your lap. Both of these mean to have something be given to you unexpectedly, with no effort from you. For example, I was thrilled when a great job opportunity fell into my lap. This means you were not looking for this specific job opportunity, but it simply came to you unexpectedly. Here's another example. He can't finish all the work, so he dropped half of it into my lap. This means he gave it to me, and I didn't expect to receive it.